Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in my life. I haven't done one of these in the last like maybe 2 years, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. This video is also in partnership with Sally Hansen, but with all that being said, let's make breakfast. Where is it? It's been lost. For breakfast, we're having pancakes, almond flour mix, gluten-free. Let's do it. What do we need? So mix, eggs, water, and oil. Half cup mix.
Blueberries.
We don't have blueberries, so they're just gonna be regular pancakes.
You have chocolate chips.
Yes!
Oh.
And then 2 teaspoons of the oil. Oh, cute.
There we go. Oh!
I am a professional.
Awesome.
Ah, look at that. So good. I am so good at making pancakes, I'm just saying. Some beauty. Yum. His and hers, or hers and his. He doesn't like chocolate chips. We're sharing a plate because all the other ones are dirty. I am full, but now it's shower time. I won't mess it up.
I got 2 shoes here. All of that.
I'm a messy human being and he hates me for it. I am showered and clean. Feels so good. The boyfriend's heading out now, so I can, you know, get myself ready and go out and do my things.
Have your matcha.
Have my matcha latte.
Okay, bye.
Bye, babe. Thanks.
There you go. You got a cute little forehead one.
He's gone, so it's now time for me to do my makeup and then head out the door and be productive. This is my office. It is a disaster in here. Wait, hold on. I can pretend it's cleaner. There's just like stuff everywhere. I don't know what to do with anything. Organization is not my strong suit. As for my hair, I let it air dry. I don't touch it. I see no need to like add extra heat damage to it. Makeup wise, I'm not gonna do anything crazy today. We're gonna go very natural. I'm not really doing much today. This is like a very typical day in my life. It's not anything exciting. There's no events, nothing. It's just me waking up, do my thing. Yeah, I should put my hair back. Great. My setting spray has my name on it. Makeup is done. It takes me literally like 5 minutes in the morning. It's nothing. But I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry before I leave the apartment. So I'm actually gonna do my nails because I haven't had them done in a little bit and I want them to look cute. I'm filming this on a Monday, so it just like feels like a good way to start the week. My hair's like almost dry-ish, but I'm gonna do my nails while we wait and then I can finish my hair afterwards. Sally Hansen just dropped some new shades for summer that are part of their Miracle Gel collection. So I'll show you them really quick and then we will do my nails. Here are the shades. So we have this like pink lilac color in Orchiding Aside. This is a perfect summer color, like great for your toes. This is called Pink Tank. This one's super fun. It's called Terracotta. Just so clever, you know? This is also like a perfect summer color for me. It's just like bright. This is called Malibu Peach. There's a shimmery blue color. It's like iridescent kind of, if you can see that. It's called Let's Get Digital. And lastly, we have this white shade. This is in Get Mod. And of course we have the top coat, which is step 2 to the 2-step system. I'm actually gonna go with the white polish just because white is like my go-to in the summer. For some reason, it just feels like summer vibes to me. Also, is it weird that my feet are in the shot? Like, do you hate that? So this is step 1, obviously, and then there's step 2. So we're just gonna paint with step 1, and then we will finish it off with the top coat. Their Miracle Gel system is really good, actually. They last really long. I highly recommend checking them out. And if you get any of these shades and paint your nails, let me know. Send me a picture or something, because I would love to see it. We can like have little matching nails. Let's do it. One coat, and it's so pigmented. Can we take a moment for the first coat? I didn't even have to dip this back in. It's amazing. I love this. Lastly, we are going to use the top coat now that my fingers are dry, and we're just gonna finish her off. Nails are done. They look so good and like so summery, perfect white, so pigmented. And the Miracle Gel polishes always last so long, so we are good to go. Now I'm gonna do my crazy hair. It's like pretty, just like frizzy and not cute. So we're just gonna straighten it really quick. Hair is done. That was so quick, literally 4 minutes. Love it. So easy. I'm gonna change out of the sweater because I just wear it in the mornings when I'm getting ready. Put something else on and we will head out to the coffee shop and get some work done. Here we have my OOTD. It's a little bit cooler out, so I have this cardigan just in case I get cold, especially because I'm going inside. But seriously, a very simple outfit. Also, I haven't done a day in the life video in like 3 years, which is really long. So let me know if you enjoy this and I will do more of these videos. I'm going on a trip soon, so it'd be really cool to do one while I'm away. But yeah, so just let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this so far. So I'm gonna get my bag ready now and then head out to the coffee shop. Always gotta do the Insta story. It is so much later. Just left the coffee shop because it's closing. I'm gonna walk home and check my mailbox, see if I got anything. It is considerably later in the day now. It's just about 7 o'clock, so I've been working there for a while. As I said, today is Monday, which means it's Bachelor Monday. I haven't really been watching, but I wanna do like Monday Bachelor nights. So my friend Melody is gonna come over and we're gonna watch it. She's gonna fill me in on who I like and who I don't like. So I'm gonna order some wine on Postmates. I would go to Ralph's, which is my closest grocery store, and get it myself, but they don't accept Canadian IDs, so I literally cannot purchase wine or anything there. So I'm just gonna Postmate it, make it easy. I have been editing. It is now 7:53 and my Postmate just buzzed up. They're gonna be here any minute. They couldn't find the bottle I wanted in like the regular size, so it's 1.5 liters. Great. And the Bachelor starts in 7 minutes, so Melody's gonna come over pretty soon. She's just gonna stop by the store and get some snacks, and then she's gonna head over and we're gonna watch. So I'm excited to like get back to it. Oh, Postmate. Thank you so much. We got the goods. We got all the little brownies. They look so cute. I feel like I should add another stack because it's just too plain, but I don't know what snack I have. Oh, I know. This looks so funny. When you try to be aesthetic and cute in Pinterest, but you just don't know how. But it's the thought that counts. Melody said she's also bringing snacks. So if I had to guess, it'll be like a chip or a cheese something. Guess who brought a cheese board?
I'm making it right now, and I'm so excited because I'm so hungry.
I'm thrilled. Yes, I knew it. I called it. It had to be something.
Guacamole.
Oh, she did good. They're so graceful with the cheese
Graceful
board.
hands, apparently.
She does. Look at how she organized this beautiful. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Pinterest. This is not. Like,
No, it's cute though.
sure.
No, it is.
Thank you
The
for-
board, the board makes it.
Can we take a moment for this Bachelor spread? First Bachelor Monday done right.
Honestly, yes, it's probably not gonna be this great every time, but
You know, good for this, the first one. First and last are the most important.
we set standards.
Yeah. Hello, it has been quite some time. It's now 11:30. Melody just left. I love that she brought a cheese board. It was so good. Did we watch most of the episode? No. We spent the whole time chatting as per you. Oh my God, is that the moon? It is. Wait, I've never seen it that clear from my apartment. I have to show you. Look at the moon. Also, ignore the cop cars. I live in downtown. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, so Melody just left. We had a great little time together. Usually by now I'm in bed. Today is kind of an exception because Bachelor Monday, even though we didn't watch The Bachelor. But I will do that now. So I'm just gonna shut down all my stuff. Once it's pretty much cleaned up out here, I will take my laptop, put it next to my bed, and all the things that I want for when I'm cozy and don't want to get up again. And then we turn off all the lights. Clean. And then I will use a moisturizer and call it a night. Put my PJs on. I usually just wear kind of whatever, baggy shorts and either like Calvin's or a baggy shirt. Doesn't really matter to me. I'll just throw on whatever. But this is PJs of the night. Here we are. My favorite time of the day. And I am going to call it a night here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this day in my life. Wasn't super eventful, very basic day. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this video and I'd be happy to make more of these on this channel. I think it'd be really fun. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed but you made it to the end of the video, hit subscribe down below right now. And make sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will have all my other social channels linked down below. Go check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.